Just add more panels, they said. This week we were working on a small apartment project, nothing too crazy. Just a simple 15-panel end-face system. Well, at least that's what we thought at first. The roof already had an existing solar system installed, and the owner wanted to add more panels. Sounds easy, right? Yeah, until we realized the panels basically did not fit. And to make things even better, fire setback spacing was also becoming a problem. So now we're standing on the roof looking at each other like, okay, who designed this roof like a puzzle game? We had to start moving layouts around, checking measurements again, looking at conduit paths, roof space, setbacks, attachment locations, basically playing solar Tetris for hours, because with solar it's not just throw panels on roof and pray. You gotta respect fire code setbacks, access pathways for firefighters, roof obstructions, existing equipment, wire management, and still make everything look clean at the end. After a lot of thinking, measuring, and probably losing a few brain cells, we finally found a layout that worked. Rails mounted, microinverters connected, wiring cleaned up, panels installed, and inspection passed. Honestly, that's one thing I like about solar. Every project teaches you something new. Sometimes the smooth projects teach you speed, and the headache projects teach you problem solving. And most of the time, you learn more from the mistakes and weird situations you find on the job than from everything else.